Hello everybody, Fugbug2000 here, and I'm with my friend.
I am awesome.
How are you doing today? I am awesome.
Good, since I'm here again and this is her alarm this time.
Yes, this is my system sensor. It's a strobe with the horn speaker. I'll tell you a little bit about it. I don't know much about it. I was given this as a present from I Am Awesome. I like how it says fire across the top, and it's got the strobe there. As you can see, the model number is kind of scraped off, so we don't know the model number, but there's the back of it. It's got the batteries, it's got the wires with the connections.
Yeah.
Yep. And one of these days we're gonna hook it up and do a system test. We'd like this to be a part of it, but just wanted to show it to you and let you know that this is actually my first fire alarm. And I got started because I Am Awesome decided to collect fire alarms, smoke alarms, and make videos. And he wanted me to be a part of it, and so I started my collection, and he gave me my very first one.
Yeah, I brought a smoke alarm today.
Okay, why don't you show them your smoke alarm? I Am Awesome. And tell us a little bit about it.
Here. I forget the model number. I know it's hard. Wire, it's a Fire X smoke alarm. Yeah, you're twisting the bracket off. Fire X ionization smoke alarm model number I4618. I don't know why I keep forgetting that model number, even though it's easy to remember. And here you could see me putting the bracket back on. Let me just see what way it goes. Yeah. There.
Yeah.
And I heard the dog barking.
Miss Cokie. Alright everybody, if you like our second video, please like and subscribe and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think. And if you have any requests for our next videos, leave them in the comments. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And let's show them it in the light again.
There we go.